balance the height of the tree in such a way that these drawbacks, okay, drawbacks in terms of how many number of steps will be required to insert the particular element inside the tree, and with respect to that we need to reduce the time complexity, and once you reduce the time complexity, that means we are increasing the performance of that particular algorithm. And to do this particular task, we have a new algorithm named as AVL tree. Okay, so that AVL tree, now suppose for the second example, we can have the at max time complexity is equal to O of n minus 1. Okay, so if this is the case, and if you want to overcome this type of difficulty, in that case we can able to go for height balance tree. Okay, so problem is clear. For what purpose we have to study height balance tree, and what is height balance tree we will discuss once we start its execution. Getting my points? Yes or no? What is the need behind understanding the height balance tree? That must be very much clear to you. If it is not clear, in that case it is difficult to understand the further part. Yes, is that clear? Okay, only one is saying yes. What about others? Other, please reply in chat window. Okay. I want more replies so that I will come to know that whether you are on the right track or not. Okay. Okay. So now we will discuss what is AVL tree. So as I said, it is one of the kind of tree which is advancement against binary search tree. Okay. In other words, this AVL tree can be called as balanced binary search tree. Okay. And how it works, we will see. Now, in this particular tree, one thing you need to understand, one important thing is there with this particular type of tree, that important factor that we have to understand while studying this particular type of tree is called as balancing factor. Okay, and which is given as height of left subtree minus height of right subtree. This is the formula for finding what is this balance factor. We will discuss. Okay, just keep in mind that one important parameter is required for understanding the concept of AVL tree, and that factor is called as balance factor, and which is given by the formula balance factor is equal to height of left subtree minus height of right subtree. Okay, and in other words, this can be called as BF. Okay, and one more important thing you need to note, that balance factor of leaf node is always equal to 0 by default. Okay, so try to get two important concepts. First one is, what is balance factor? It is nothing but height of left subtree minus height of right subtree of the given node, and balance factor of leaf node is always equal to 0. Okay, in other words, this can be written as balance factor of leaf node is 0 by default. Okay, now for the same example of the same set of data, that is 11, 22, 32, 33, 44, 55 and 66, we will go with the parameters specified with this particular balance factor and the procedure which need to be followed for construction of AVL tree. Okay, and for the same example, we will go in detail of all this, right? So first of all, we'll have the set of data as similar to the previous example. You can have the set of data like 11, 22, 33, 44, 55 and 66. These are the elements, and we have to insert this element in binary search tree with the concepts of AVL. Okay, or with the concepts of balanced binary search tree, right? So same example we will illustrate with the help of AVL. Okay, now insertion against AVL tree. For that, step number 1 is insert 11. Okay, 11 is now the root, because there is no, till now there is no left and right child. So 11 is considered as the root of the tree, and it is not having any left or right subtree. So its balance factor is 0, and it is written as 11 to the power 0. Okay, 11 to power 0, it is the syntax for writing balance factor of the particular node. Okay, then insert, who is the second element? 22 is the second element. For that, we will follow the step number 2. Insert 22. Now, 22 is greater than, so here we are following the rules of BST. Keep in mind, we will follow the rules of BST. Insert 22. 22 is greater than 11, so it will be goes to the right side of 11. So see, you can see 11 is holding a root and its subtree will be holding a leaf node, that is 22. Now, what I said, the balance factor we need to calculate for each and every step. Okay. Now, by default, balance factor of leaf node is 0. So 22 is leaf node, its balance factor is 0. So 22 raised to 0 is written there. Okay, next, we want to find the balance factor of 11. 11 is holding how many subtrees? It is holding only right subtree. It is not having any left subtree. Okay. So due to absence of left tree, see what is our formula for finding the balance factor? Height of left subtree minus height of right subtree. What is the height of left subtree? There is nothing in the left subtree of 11. So it is 0 minus how many elements present in the right subtree? One element is there. One element is present. One subtree is present to the right of this 11. So 0 minus 1, it becomes minus 1. Okay. So now new balance factor of this 11 is now minus 1. Up to this it is clear. Please tell me whether it is understood or not, because this is one of the important steps. Why there is minus 1 written to the power of 11? Is that clear? Yes or no? Okay, okay. Anyone is not understood, just tell me. If it is not understood, quickly reply yes or no, so that I can explain once again. If you want to explain once again, I can. If not, I will continue. Jasmine, what is your understanding? 219. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the next element? 33. Okay. So we need to insert 33. Now see, for 33, we will check. 33 is greater than 11, greater than 22. So it will be goes to the right side of 22. So 33 is written there. Now we have to calculate balance factor. As I said, after every step, we have to calculate the balance factor. Okay. So balance factor of leaf node right now is 33. Its balance factor is 0. Now, new balance factor of 22. Previously it was 0. Now it is becoming a root for 33. Root means subtree of the 33. So its balance factor is height of left subtree. There is nothing in the left subtree of 22. So there is a 0 minus height of the right subtree, that is 1. 0 minus 1 equal to minus 1. That's why on top of the 22, you can observe minus 1 is written there. Okay, then for 11, left subtree is 0 because nothing in the left tree of the 11, and left tree minus height of the left tree is 0 minus height of the right subtree 2. 0 minus 2, it is minus 2. Now you can easily observe that the root is holding higher value than that of subroot. Okay, in that case we have to do the anti-clockwise rotation for this particular criteria. Okay, once this particular thing comes to you, minus 1 is holding by the right subtree and minus 2 is holding by the root. In that case, we have to do the anti-clockwise rotation. So we'll require a rotation. That rotation is called as single rotation policy of AVL tree. Like this, we have double rotation policy. Okay, but as of now, we will discuss only single rotation policy of AVL tree. Okay, it will be more complicated if you go for double rotation, right? So as of now, we will concentrate on single rotation policy. Okay, so here we will require a rotation which is in terms of anti-clockwise rotation. So in that case, this 22 will become a root, and this 11 will goes to left side of this 22, and 33 will be as it is. Okay, and if you do this rotation, this is one of the step of this algorithm. Okay, and if you do this, you will again recalculate the balance factor of this. So balance factor of 33, as this is the leaf node, its balance factor is 0. 11 is also becoming now a leaf, that's why its balance factor is 0, and 22 is now becoming a root. And for that, the formula is height of left subtree. What is the height? 1, because one element is there in the right, left as well as in right. 1 minus 1, it becomes 0. Up to this it is clear. I am going very slowly, one by one. Nipun, is that clear? Nipun Kulkarni. Why we are written 0?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Shreyesh 22, roll number 22.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Clear.
Sir, please just tell once
So
again
now-
why are we rotating?
Okay. Reason is, if a root is holding max number than the subroot, in that case we have to rotate. In this case, you can see 11 is holding -2, whereas 22 is holding -1. Okay, so this requires a left rotation. That's why this is happening. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the next element? 44. Now see, insert 44. For this 44, what is our tree? Now this right side of the tree is available 22, 11, 33. Okay, 22 will be at root, 11 is left root, and 33 is a right subroot. This is the input for inserting 44. Okay, so where it will be inserted, 44 will be inserted to the right of the 33. So we will draw the diagram. 22 will be at root, left child is 11, right child is 33, and right child is now, after insertion of this 44, we will get 44 to the right of the 33. Now, what is our next step? Calculate the balance factor of each node. As 11 and 44 are leaf node, its balance factor is by default. By mistake, I have not written 0 there for 11. It is there. Okay, 44 is 0. 44 is holding 0 balance factor. 11 is also holding 0 factor balance factor. Now calculate the balance factor of 33. 33 is holding right child, not left side. So 0 minus 1 minus 1. Okay. Then 22. 22 is having one left side, 2 right child. 1 minus 2 minus 1. Okay. So likewise, you can get the result of this tree after insertion of 44. Okay. So after insertion of 44, the balance factor of 44 is 0, balance factor of 33 is -1, balance factor of 22 is -1. Reason is, it is holding one left tree and 2 right subtree. Okay, height of the right subtree is 2 and height of left subtree is 1. That's why 1 minus 2, it is -1. Clear? Yes or no? Please reply, Mani. 49. Is that clear? Why I have written there -1?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now insert 55. See, there is no requirement of rotation because there is the root and subroot is having same balance factor. So there is no need of rotation required in this case. Okay. Then step number 5. What is the next number? 55. Now we have to insert 55. And where it goes? It will goes to the right of 44. Okay. This is the 44. Right? And 55 is holding to the right of the 55. 44. 55 is inserted in the right of the 44. So now calculate the balance factor. 11 and 55 is having balance factor 0. 44 is now having balance factor 0 minus 1 minus 1 because there is no left child. That's why 0 minus 1 because right child is holding 1. right subtree is holding one element. So height of that right subtree is 1. 1 minus 1, 0 minus 1, minus 1. Next, 33. 33 is having right subtree 2 height and left subtree 0 height. 0 minus 2, minus 2. Then 22. 22 is having one left tree, one height of left tree is 1 minus height of right subtree is 3. So again it is minus 2. Now you can observe 44 and 33 are holding, it is having a kind of some mismatch. Yes or no? Because 44 is holding minus 1, 33 is having minus 2. So there is need of rotation. Left rotation is required. Okay, reason is, we have seen the reason. If root and subroot is not matching the balance factor, in that case we need a rotation, and that rotation is left rotation is required. So due to that, what will happen? Now see, 44 will become now subroot, and 33 will goes to the left of 44, and 55 will be as it is. Okay, now check what are the new balance factors of all these. 33 is holding 0, 55 is holding 0, 44 is also holding 0. Reason is there is left and right subtree present. Okay, and my 22 is holding minus 1 because 11 is having 11, one subtree is there, left subtree 1 minus 2, it is minus 1. Clear? Yes or no? Please reply. Yes, Vedant 57. Is that clear? Roll number 57. Vedant Nemade. Is that clear? Yes or no? Tejas, roll number 1. Is that
Yes,
clear?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, last element is remaining. What is that last element? 66. 66 we need to insert in this. Okay, so where it will be inserted? To the right of 55. Okay, so here you can see in the first step, you can insert it 66 at the right of the 55, right? And now 66 is holding balance factor 0, 33 is holding balance factor 0, 11 is also holding balance factor 0. Now you calculate the balance factors of remaining nodes. Okay, so first we will calculate balance factor of 55. It is minus 1 because it is holding one right child. Then my balance factor of 44, it becomes minus 1 because it is holding one left subtree and two right subtree. Okay, two elements, right? So it is minus 1. Now next, for 22, 1 minus 3 minus 2. You can observe one important cause and effect is here. Okay, against 44 and 22, you can find the mismatch. Okay, and due to that mismatch, we need to have a left rotation. Okay, and after doing the left rotation, you can have this 44 will be at the root, 22 will be at the left side of this 44, and this 33 is greater than 22, so it will be to the right side of this 22, and 11 will be at its own position. Then 55 will be shifted, and 66 will be as it is. Now you can find the balance factor of each node now. 66 is holding 0, 33 is holding 0, 11 is holding 0. What about minus? What about 55? It is minus 1. What about the 22? It is 0. What about 44? It is 0. Now we finished all the elements. You can see that all the elements which are there in this particular, all the left and right childs are at the same height. You can see height of left subtree for this case is 2 for this final outcome, and height of right subtree is also 2. That's why it is called as balanced binary search tree, because left and right both are having equal height. Now our root becomes 44 and it is holding left subtree which is of height 2, and it is holding a right subtree which is of height 2. Yes, is that clear? Okay. If it is yes, anybody is having any kind of doubt in this, can ask me. If you have doubt, you can ask me.
So why 33 moved?
33 is not holding, see, 33 is less than 44. So it must be to the left of 44 because we are following the rules of BST. Right child should be greater than root. Left child should be greater than root. Yes, that's why this 33 shifted to the right side of 22. See, from here we have started. We are discussing this is with BST. This is BST only. Everywhere you can see left child is less and right child is greater than root. Same strategy is followed here. Everywhere you can observe this for each and every step. Everywhere we are following the same policy. Is that clear? Yes or no? Do one thing. Solve this same example on your own. Take your time. Solve this example. Same example. First example 11, 22, 33, 44, 40, 55, and 66. Till that, I will go for the attendance. Everyone will solve the same example, okay, with the syntax which I have followed. Because it requires the basic understanding, right? For that reason, take some time and solve the same example. First example. If you not able to solve, we will see what to do. Everyone will solve the same example. Whatever step just now I have shown you, you follow all those steps again and solve the same example with the help of basics of AVL trees. Till that, I will go for attendance. 1, 2, 3.
Sir, can you please again show the step slide, sir?
हाँ
Simple slide, sir.
यही तो बात है ना संजीत. Sanjit, take your time. Try.
Yes, sir.
If it is not, I will show you. Definitely, I will show you.
सर करना क्या है, जरा फाइनल से तो सर करना क्या है?
सेम एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व करना है. मैंने अभी जैसे सॉल्व किया ना, इन दैट सेम मैनर यू हैव टू सॉल्व द एग्जाम्पल.
ओके सर.
Same example you need to solve.
सर मतलब सिंपली इंसर्ट करने हैं सर सारे डाटा.
Yes, yes, yes.
ओके सर.
Steps कितने लगेंगे? 6 steps लगेंगे. I want 6 steps in your notebook.
ओके सर.
Roll number 16 is absent. Roll number 16. Roll number 16 is not there. So practice करो. That is my concern. It requires some practice. 100% it is requiring some practice. 16 is not done. 18 is also not there. 18. 18 then 25, 26. $37. $40. 40, 41, 43, 41, 46, 47, 48. Forty-six, 47, 40, 46, 47, 48 is not there. 50 is also not there. 50. Fifty-two. 52 is not there. 52. 56. 56, 57, 58, 60, 61, 62, 66, 66 and 71. Okay, so see, match your result. This is step number 1, step number 2, step number 3. After that, I think all of you matched this particular thing. If not, you recorrect your answer. Then step number 4, step number 5, step number 6 is there. I will show the previous steps. Step 3, rotation is required. With that, you can able to find the balance factor, and after that, you can go for the second part of the solution. Now here, you observe one thing. Height of balance tree is now 3. Yes. Previously it was 6. Now it is 3. So this is the difference. Finished? Yes or no? Anybody finished this answer? If you done any wrong step, go through the solution. Solution is in front of you. Okay, students, I think you are done. Sanjit, yes or no? Hello? Is that completed?
Sir, when we are rotating 44 towards up, then is that compulsory that कि 22 उसके left side में आएगा?
Because it is having less value than 44.
Okay, sir.
Left, it is small, na? That's why.
सर 33 भी स्मॉल था ना, इसीलिए पूछा.
33 लेफ्ट को ही था ना. 33 ऑलरेडी लेफ्ट को था. सी द प्रीवियस स्टेप नंबर 5. 33 लेफ्ट में ही था और वो 22 से ज्यादा था, इसलिए राइट में था.
Okay, sir, got it.
Okay, student, I'm having some emergency work, so we'll stop here and we'll continue with the discussion in the maybe in afternoon. We'll have one extra lecture. Okay, so we'll send you link and everything. So right now, I have taken attendance and I think you are comfortable with this solution. If not, then take snapshot of this. Okay, and please do this, because it requires some kind of practice. Okay, unless and until you do the practice, it is not possible. Okay, so as of now we'll stop here. We'll discuss remaining things as this is last part of unit number 4. We'll start unit number 5 in next lecture. Okay.